lot. Over FB Messenger casually chatting about mundane life things. At the same time, my wife and I began speculating about how wild and unusual this situation is. We are both thinking that Kate might be a child I never knew I had. I think the timing for it lines up if she was born about 9 months after we broke up. It was so long ago that I cannot remember the dates, but am fairly confident about the year. We traveled to Florida. We stayed in a hotel for 2 nights and spent Friday evening through Sunday afternoon with Kate. We spent a good portion of Saturday on the boat. It has been impeccably maintained. Yes, some minor things, but every boat has minor things. Boats are holes you toss money and time into. After that, we hung out with Kate and learned about her life, told her about ours, saw the area, had some good food. Then we flew home. We are now planning on sailing the boat back up to where I live when the weather warms up more by way of the ICW. The 3 of us.